I don't want to wait for nobody. Hey! I just want to dance with you, mommy. You know what? Let me just pause the song and let me just tell you why I'm here. So today I was doing a spontaneous video, a spontaneous makeup, but I just decided to film because I'm in the mood. And this is the look that came out. So if you want to see how I got this snatch look, it's natural. Look at the blush there. Whoosh. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Girl, you need to subscribe to this channel because you love me and I love you too. Stay tuned, enjoy this video. You're gonna learn new stuff, how I started doing my makeup from let me not talk about it. Stay tuned. Hey. Hey, come on. Blessings are for a lifetime. Hey. Look at this. See this. Did you see that? People be drawing their eyebrows every time starting this way and clearing it up and everything. But sometimes, to be honest, some days are there you're just not in the mood. When you draw the eyebrow, one looks perfect, the other looks So I decided to bring this technique up. I don't know if someone has ever done it before. I don't know. But this video is so spontaneous. You can see that I started doing something. I started doing my makeup and then this just came up. So let me just show you. Instead of you drawing your eyebrow first and clearing it up, I thought, why don't we clear it up first and draw it? This is my first. I tried with this. It came out. I'm like, damn, girl, you have to do it. So let's do this. You could learn something from this. You know that, right? So first, you get a concealer. I use a Derma Blend, right? What shade is this? It says deep. I don't know. But yes, I use Derma Blend. First, I already have thick eyebrows, right? So then it's already thick. So all I have to do is use my pencil to draw it, right? Just a minute. Let me get my mirror right so I can see my face well. And then come back. Okay, I'm back. Everything is set. Now let's go. So as I said, just use your brush and your concealer. Draw the line you want to draw and go in with your pencil. Today I'm not using my Benefit. I'm not using a gel. I'm going with a regular pencil. Sis, some days you just have to be regular. Let's go. I get my thing and look at my eyebrow. Well, as thick as it is. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the shape I want. If you have thick eyebrows, you could draw any shape. If you have a problem, go burn the sea. You just have to take your time. Draw it in smaller strokes, because that's the shape you're looking for. You see? And don't worry, just draw it. You'll be able to go back and clear it up. Just draw it, right? So we're going. Sha, 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 sha. When you get here, you have to take your time because the way you draw your arc is what's going to determine how nice your eyebrow looks. So I just go in this way and just come down. Right? So now I know I have a clear idea of how I want my eyebrows to look today. And if you look at this wall, it matches the same one as this. So going with my pencil, it's kind of blunt because, I just, got this vision, and I'm not letting this vision fly. I'm just gonna sharpen this, right? And keep it here. And then now it's sharpened. I'm just gonna go in, right? So this time you already have the shape. You don't have to like do too much. I received this. So as you can see, I'm just drawing it like, it's like a shape. Fill it, fill it, fill it. And as I said, don't get worried if you make a mistake. You could just go back and clean it. No one is perfect, Let me just get this, get this side tinted out a little. Girl be looking fly soon. Just give me some time. Girl, I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender. Sorry, actually, let me go back with this. Extend this downwards a little to clear it nicely.
You see? And just clear it. Dab, 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 dab. Let me just clear this part. Girl! Just tell me this vision didn't come right. Tell me! So you see, when you get this, like when you draw the line before, like have the outline, have it. If you have the outline and you come in and draw it, it's easy to, see what you're doing. Because some people be having crooked eyebrows, like or like some hair here, no hair there. So it's advisable to have the line, Back in I think elementary school, I think grade 1 or grade 2, they give you this drawing boards and stuff, and then they have, it's a book actually, and then they have, traces out, and they have to use a pencil to trace it nicely, and then you're going to get graded. This is exactly what I did. Hey! My God. Oh my God. Girl, girl, I don't even know what to say. Sha, just a minute. My thing fell. I got it. No.
I don't want to wait for nobody. Hey!